Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Good evening, all. Yeah. Can anyone tell me what is our last topic? What's our last topic, guys? We are complete with all OOPS concepts, right? We are complete with all OOPS concepts. Tell me the pillars of OOPS. Tell me the pillars of OOPS, guys. Inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. Next, abstraction. I know all these topics are completed. Am I correct? I think so. All these topics are completed. All these are covered, right? But we need to see examples. I told you that on next class we will see only example, right? Today we are going to see one small example. Yeah, Amruta, I will answer that question. In next classes you will get that answer. In next classes you will get that answer, okay? All these topics are completed. Now we have to see only examples for it. Before that, before that let me show you one small topic. One small concept guys. Just follow here. Association. There is a small topic called as for this example is not needed. By seeing this definition only we will get understand. If you want examples we will see it in next classes, but most of the people won't tell this topic. They will skip this topic, but I felt that you should know this. Maybe in interview they may ask about this. Only theory part. You should know this. That's why I'm going to this. I will complete this and after that I will tell one example with all OOPS concepts. Okay? Today only one example with all OOPS concepts. Yeah guys. Association. Association means group of people, right? Group of people is called association. Here also association is the communication between two or more classes, guys. Okay, two or more classes. In general also we say association means group of people. Group of people. Here also association means group of classes. Association means group of classes. It is also known as has a relationship. Has a the relation between two classes. Is a means is the relationship inheritance. Has a means association. Okay, it is not a keyword. It's just a name. It is not a keyword, guys. It is not a keyword. And what is use of association means? You know already this, but for that there is a name, that's it. You know these concepts already, we are using from the starting day onwards, but for this they are given one name. For that whole process they have given one name. Association is used to achieve reusability. By seeing this you will get one flash. Okay, what is that, guys? You will get one word. Reusability means you will get one word. What is that word? You should get a word by saying reusability. Methods. Use of methods, guys. Using of methods is nothing but to increase readability, reusability. We can call that method everywhere, right? Wherever we want, we can call that method and use that code. Without writing code again and again, we use that. Yeah. Now, there are two types of associations, guys. Okay. In association also, it is divided into two types. One is aggregation, one is composition. Okay. Aggregation and composition. In association, again it is divided into two types, namely aggregation and composition. Aggregation means creating the reference of one class inside another class is known as aggregation. That means, see here, here I have a class, guys. Okay, I have a class called A. In this I have a constructor like this, and one more class is there. Okay, class B. Class B have one constructor called, and it accepts one class type. Okay, A1. Like this in another class. Here, if you observe means, for this object, for this class, I am creating reference variable in another class. A is the data type and A1 is the variable name. Here I am using a static variable. I am creating reference of this class in another class by using a constructor. Here, whenever I need to call a constructor of B, at that time I need to create a object of A. Let me explain by, let me create class B, guys. Okay, here if you observe means I am creating a class B. In this a default constructor is there. Okay, B class. Okay, now I am creating a T, okay, D. Okay, B and D. In D class I will create a static reference of B1. Okay, B is my data type. Data type means it is a class, non-primitive data type. B class name is a non-primitive data type, and B1 is my reference. In this I have a constructor called D. For that my arguments is, these are my arguments. Okay, this is my arguments. To create a object of D class, I should create a object of B class also. Understood, guys? Any doubts here? If you have any doubts, please ask me. If I want to create an object of D class, definitely I should call this constructor. This constructor argument is object of B class. Understood, guys? Yeah. Very good. Today is the last day of OOPS concepts, guys. Okay. Today is the last day of OOPS concept. And aggregation means, there is one more definition, guys, for aggregation. The existence of container object is not dependent on the existing object of container object. It will be very confusing. Please keep in mind this, okay? This will be little bit confused for you. A composition is a type of aggregation. The existence of container object, that means this is a container, is dependent on the existence of container object. To create this container, whatever we are storing inside it, this should be, it is dependent on this, it is dependent on this, guys. Understood? Father is dependent on child, child is dependent on father. Like this. Composition means depending on each other. Depending on each other, guys. Okay. Same example. Here, in these examples, it is purely dependent. If I remove this and here, if I write like this means it is aggregation, guys. Okay, because here I am not passing any arguments. Okay, here I am not passing any arguments. If I call, it will create. If I don't call, it is not created. But if I give as argument, both are independent, guys. Without this, B class does not be existed. It is a constructor, guys. Constructor with arguments. Here I am writing, right? It accepts object of B class as a constructor. It is a constructor with non-primitive data type. That's all about aggregation and composition. Now we will move for example. OOPS concept example. Today we will learn only about OOPS concept example. Yeah, guys. Now see here. Now I am explaining by taking example of electronics. I am explaining. Example is fan. Okay. You should tell me, guys. I will explain all theoretical part. You should tell which concept should I use here. Fan is my model. For this fan, developing fan, I have a lot of companies are there. There are a lot of companies. One is Bajaj fan, okay? Bajaj. Next. Havels. Can you tell me some fan companies? Crompton, right? These all are the fan developers. Am I correct? Orient. Enough. Usha. Yeah, enough, guys. Tell me, all the companies will develop a fan. Am I correct? All the will develop a fan. But in each company, in each and every company, features are different. Am I correct? Bajaj will have some different features. Havels will have some different features. Finally, the output is a fan. But internally, The process is different, am I correct? The materials they use, the procedure they follow to develop that fan, all are different, am I correct? Am I correct, guys? Tell me three features of fan. Tell me any three features of fan. Wings, right? Number of wings. Number of wings. Number of wings is one. Next, type of fan. That means, is it a ceiling fan? Is it a ceiling fan or a table fan? Okay, like that. Type of fan. And RPM. RPM, you know? RPM. RPM or speed. In simply we can speed, but in technical words we call it RPM. Rotations per minute. Now tell me, these are the features of fan, guys. Every fan should have these features. All are mandatory. All the features are mandatory, okay? Now, if a Bajaj company fan is there, if Bajaj company prepared a fan, try to build a fan. Number of wings, 3 wings, am I correct? Assume that Bajaj will build with 3 wings. Type of rotation, type of fan. Wall fan, okay? Wall fan. Next, RPM is, let's assume that 500. It is not the correct details, guys. For just assumption, and tell me one extra feature of Bajaj, guys. Tell me one extra feature of Bajaj. Let me take color, okay? For Bajaj, I am taking color as a feature, separate feature. Understood, guys? For this, I am taking color as a additional feature. Among these with three features, along with these three feature, Bajaj have one more, plus one. Next for Havels, it is a 4-speed, okay? 4 wings. Havels has 4 wings. Havels has 4 wings. Hey man, wait. I'm explaining, right? Each and every part I'm explaining. Please be patient, otherwise just leave the class. If you have patience, wait. Otherwise you can leave. Okay, Bajaj will provide more guarantee. Okay, it is a good guarantees, okay? Havels, 4 wings. It is a ceiling fan, okay? It is ceiling fan. And RPM is 750 rotations per hour. And tell me one additional feature of Havels. Noise, okay? Noise, no noise, okay? Less noise. Less noise, okay? Less noise, sir. Someone says remote control. Okay, we will take remote control. Remote control. Next, tell me for Compton fans. Crompton. Skip these two. Class will be very lengthy if we discuss both. For this, it is a 5. Okay, Crompton have 5 wings. Very big fan. Very big fan. Crompton is a. Next, it is a table fan. Okay, It is a table fan, and RPM is 300 RPM per second per minute. Sorry, RPM 300 RPM, and one additional features, guys. For this, one additional feature for Crompton. For table fan, one additional feature. Foldable. Foldable or resizable, okay? Resizable or adjustable. Got it, guys? Got a brief idea? All are fan companies, but every company has different features, right? Every company has features of fan. Along with that, they have their own features, right? They have their own features. If directly Bajaj company prepared a fan and given to you without any abstraction, without any abstraction, if he directly provided, that means with the fan, he provided details of construction, okay? How he made everything, okay? From the day 1 to day 100, how the product is prepared, everything is given to you, means next time you won't buy Bajaj fan, right? You only prepare your own fan. Am I correct, guys? If you provide all the details of prepare preparation of fan, construction of a fan, you will only prepare, right, next time onwards. That's why they will extend fan class, guys. Fan is an interface here. Now you can say fan is an interface. Every fan company should follow these rules. Every fan company should follow these rules, guys, okay? Without following fan rules, government will not allow, okay? Assume that it is a government rules. Without following government norms, can a product come into market? Without getting certified from the market, government, can a product come into market? No. That's why every company will extend from fan. Will extend fan, okay? I have a fan interface, interface fan. In this interface, I have three methods, guys. Methods is number of wings. Number of wings is one method. Next, type of fan is one more method. All are abstract methods, guys, okay? Along with it, one more is RPM. RPM is one more method. These are the three features. Every fan should have these features, guys, okay? Every fan should have these features. That means Bajaj implements fan. If I implement fan means I should override all the methods of interface. I need to override all the methods of interface. So I will override all the things. After overriding, to get more sales in my product, to get more sales to my product, I will build some own features, unique features. For Bajaj, you have given guarantee, right? If I directly given means anyone come and see my implementation, right? Anyone can come and see my implementation. Am I correct? Guarantee is a variable, guys, okay? Here I will give 5 years. If I provide directly means they will come and see implementation and they will get copy. Am I correct? They can copy my details. To avoid that, for this I will use encapsulation. For unique features, I will use encapsulation, okay? Keep in mind that for unique features, I will use encapsulation. Like this, every fan company. What we have discussed until now, which companies? Havels. Havels implements fan. That means this Hevel should also implement all the methods at that override. Along with these methods, I have some unique features for my Hevel fan. That is remote control, right? Remote operated S for this Wi-Fi operated Wi-Fi comma Bluetooth comma something I have given. I will make this encapsulation. Understood, guys? Any doubts up to now? If you are clear means I will go with execution. In the execution part, you will get a clear idea. Yeah, sounds good, guys. Yeah, thanks. Now let me close all this. Let me create interface called fan. Okay. In my fan interface, what are the basic features? Void number of wings. It is my method. Okay. And one more method. Void. For just example purpose, I am using void. Okay, guys. Void means no return type. I am not expecting any return type. Just I will print messages. Next, one more feature. What is that, guys? After wings, type of fan. Am I correct? If a company want to make prepare a fan, if a company want to made a, construct a fan, every company should follow these norms, guys. Okay, every company should follow these norms. Without this, it is not considered as a fan. Now I will create class. My class name is Bajaj fan. Okay, Bajaj fan implements fan. If you are able to see means if you are whenever I implement fan, I am getting error, guys. Okay, whenever I implement fan interface, implements keyword is used to implement a interface, extend a interface. I'm getting error here, guys. Okay, what type of error? Must implement all the abstract methods of fan type. I need to implement all the unimplemented methods. Now here I am implementing that. Okay, we have given details for three, right? Three wings. Am I correct, guys? For Bajaj fan, we have given three wings. It is just for understanding. Don't take it serious. If we say real examples means real time simple examples, you will get understand. That's why I am taking simple examples. Real life examples, daily life examples. Okay. Okay, let me make ceiling fan. Ceiling fan RPM is 1. I had tell that in this I have a unique feature. That feature is I will make private variable, guys. Okay, private static guarantee equal to, I will give 5 years. Okay, I will use 5 years. Now see guys, observe here. I will tell some shortcuts for you. If you are creating a private variables, you need public getter and setter, right? Without writing directly, there is a shortcut guys. In Eclipse we have shortcuts. It is my private variable. To access this, I need getter and setter methods. To access this, I need getter and setter methods. Don't write, don't type it by your hands, okay? Just follow these instructions. In your heading navigation bar, this is called navigation bar. In that, you will find source guys, okay? You will find an option called source. Click on source. There, you will see generate getters and setters, right? Generate getters and setters. Are you able to see it? Are you following guys? Here, is it visible to you? Generate getters and setters. Getters and setters. Is it visible? Please respond guys. Just click on it. After that, a pop-up will be shown here like this. Here you will see all the private variables. Just select the private variables. Come down and click generate. That's it. Click generate. If you check means no. Public static string get guarantee. Public static set guarantee, right? By this you can set guarantee. Only you can set guarantee. By this you can see the guarantee, right? I don't want to set guarantee. That's why I'm removing it. For the customer, I will just show guarantee. How many years I am providing. But I won't give him to set the guarantee, okay? Understood guys? This is my Bajaj company. When a customer came and asked me, customer came to shop, I will build shop also here, okay? I will build an electrical store. If a customer come and ask, he will create a Bajaj fan and he will give you like that, okay? Now I will move it one more type fan guys, which is Havels. You guys already know, right? That's why I'm doing fast. Havels is 4 wings. If you have any doubts, you can ask me guys. Here I'm not writing any big logic, so that's why I'm just typing. I'm not explaining anything. By seeing only you can understand, right? And in this Havels, I have a special feature. Like this I'm creating. Now there is one more option guys. If you are not able to go to source option, you can use this option also. Whenever you are creating a private variable, you will get a warning like this. If you see means there is a warning symbol, right? Danger symbol. There is a warning symbol. Light symbol with warning symbol. If you click on it, see, it is showing the possible disks. Create getter and setter methods. Now I will create getters and setter methods, okay? I don't want setter, that's why I will create only getter name, okay? Here I got my getter method, okay? Public string get remote, right? I got my getter method. I got my getter method, right, guys? That's it. Here without returning, I will print here